right, now, gather round, my little Medicare trainees. Got your notepads? Coffee? Good. Today we're talking about who gets to ride the original Medicare train, parts A and B, and how they get their ticket punched. Let's start with the golden rule. Who's eligible for Medicare? To get in the club, you gotta meet two main rules. Don't worry, I'll break it down like Grandma's cranberry recipe. Number 1, be 65 or older, or under 65 with certain disabilities. Not just sore knees and backaches. No, sir. We're talking folks getting Social Security disability for 24 months, people with ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease, or anyone with end-stage renal disease. That's ESRD, aka kidney failure. Number 2, you must live in the good old USA, either as a citizen or a legal resident who's been here 5 straight years. If you just moved in yesterday, bless your heart, but you'll need to wait. If you've got ESRD, you can get Medicare early. But if you get a kidney transplant, coverage usually ends after 36 months unless you qualify by age or disability. But you can keep Part B only just to cover those anti-rejection meds. And trust me, those pills ain't cheap. Some lucky folks get signed up automatically. Already getting Social Security or railroad benefits at 65? Bam! You're in. Coverage starts the first day of your birthday month. Unless you're born on the 1st, then it starts the month before. Medicare likes to be early. Under 65 with a disability, you're in after 24 months of benefits. Got ALS? You get A and B the same month your disability benefits start. But folks in Puerto Rico, y'all have to manually sign up for Part B. If you're not auto-enrolled, sign up during your initial enrollment period, IEP. That's a 7-month window, 3 months before your birthday month and 3 months after. ESRD folks can sign up anytime, but coverage starts the 4th month of dialysis, unless special rules apply. If you're eligible for premium-free Part A, you can sign up anytime after 65, and it starts 6 months retroactively, but not before your 65th birthday. Medicare's generous, not magical. If you missed your IEP, you can sign up Jan 1st to March 31st during GEP. Coverage starts the 1st of the next month, but heads up, you might get hit with a late enrollment penalty. Medicare don't play. Got coverage from your job or your spouses? You can delay and use a special enrollment period, SEP. That gives you 8 months after the coverage ends to enroll. And there are other SEPs too, for disasters, jail release, Medicare mistakes, so always ask before assuming you're out of luck. You get Part A free if you worked and paid Medicare taxes long enough. If not, you can buy it. Part B, everybody pays for that, unless someone else covers it for you, like Medicaid or a retirement plan. Let's wrap up. If you're 65 plus or disabled, you likely qualify. Sign up early or know your enrollment windows. Don't decline Part B unless you really understand the consequences. Know if you're automatically enrolled or not. Remember, IEP, GEP, and SEP, learn them, love them. Coverage might be retroactive, but it ain't magic. All right now, my little Medicare masterminds, you got the scoop straight from Grandma. Go help folks get what they've earned, and don't let anyone miss their enrollment window, or you'll have me to answer to.